Hey guys, this is Oli from Oli's Big Picture, right now in downtown Shanghai. And I'm very happy that I have 3 students with me here from Germany who just arrived yesterday. So they are fresh off the boat. Right now we are exploring the city. And what I want to show you is, we just came across here those shared bikes. Those shared bikes are a very inexpensive and nice way to explore the city. Therefore, you can see here 2 different companies. You can see the Meituan, which you open with the Meituan app, what is yellow. And you have the blue ones, those are from Alipay, from Schiffobau. You can find those bikes anywhere in the city, as well on many campuses of the universities. Therefore, we will show you right now how to open the Alipay bike, the blue one, because this is the easiest way for the foreigners who don't have a Chinese bank account. You are also able with Schiffobau, what is Alipay, to open the yellow one. However, this takes a little bit more setup in the app. So therefore, without further ado, let's check out how it works to open one of those bikes. So first, of course, you open the app, then you will go on scanning. And after scanning, you scan the QR code down there. And then even now in Schiffobau, you have this translation button. So you can click on translate, then it translates for you, confirm the opening. And basically that's it. Now it automatically opened. And then when you took the bike and you can send it, you can take it anywhere with you, just put it in a public place on a sidewalk again. You cannot put it in a compound, like inside of buildings or something. You have to put it outside in a public space. And then you just close it again, right here. And then it will ask you on the app to pay something, maybe 1 or 2 renminbi, depends on the time and the kilometers, and that's it. So this one is a very easy, very simple way for everybody who just come here to China to explore the city, and it's much faster than the taxi usually, because no traffic jam. Therefore, have a good ride and see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.